else. I'm bored.
Best!
I'm
Guys,
bored.
this video, stop making noise! Come back to Casey's Kisuyo. Yeah, she's crazy. Welcome back to Casey's channel.
bored.
So today we're gonna be playing several of Roblox
And several Roblox
and
games.
several of Roblox games. So
Like Berry Avenue.
like Berry what is it?
Berry Avenue.
Berry life together.
Heaven.
Brook Heaven.
No.
Metro Life.
Mom, should I go to Thingy's house?
And Chung 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 Sahoo.
Yay!
Listen, these are the rules. You guys, why are you making like noise? Like, who has ever played like who has ever played like Roblox in real life?
I don't think so.
That can't happen because like
Besta, can we play Among Us?
look what Besta is laughing at. Look, I can just we're tickling her. And that's why are people making so much noise?
I'm not making noise. I just think a quiet game.
Sorry. Now